All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, we talk a lot about car detailing, all the subjects along it, pressure washing, polishers, all that kind of good stuff, tips and tricks. So if that stuff interests you, please consider subscribing. Okay, so for today's video, something a little bit different. I was actually at Home Depot walking around. I was picking up the Ryobi polisher, the battery powered 18-volt polisher. And while I was there, just walking around, I'm always looking for different things to kind of check out. So I was walking down one of the aisles, and on one of the end caps was this new thing that I'd never seen before. I don't know how long it's been out, but I've never seen it before. And it's called the Ryobi Link system. Now this is a modular wall organization system that I saw and I was like amazed by it. Like, this thing looks great. So I picked up a few pieces of it. As you can see here, there's this kind of blank wall in my shop here, right up by the front roll-up door. And it's just where I currently store my squeegees for the floor, mops, brooms, all that kind of good stuff that I use to try and keep the shop as clean as I can. So like I said, guys, right now it doesn't look very good. It's not organized. Sort of dust and cobwebs and stuff always kind of collect on the bottom of where the brush and stuff are. So when I go to use the brushes, I always have to clean them first. It's just not an ideal situation. So again, I found this Ryobi Link. Let me go ahead and show you guys a couple pieces of it. So this is it, guys. This is the Ryobi Link wall system. So this is just one of the wall units. This is what you can hang up, and then you can build on top of it with all these different little inserts for whatever kind of storage needs you have. They actually look like, I haven't gone into full depth with it, but it looks like they actually sell toolboxes that you can clamp down the top of them and then store on this, which is phenomenal. It looks like a really, really all-inclusive kit that just is gonna solve a lot of storage solutions for a lot of people. And it's a good price, at least compared to some of the other storage solutions that I've seen. These seem to be pretty inexpensive in comparison. So again, guys, here's the wall track. I got whoops, see already, brush is falling on me. Okay, so then I have a couple of the hook systems. Actually it goes like this. And this one, they kind of advertised, if I remember well, like hanging something here and then hanging a shovel over the top of it. Obviously, I don't have any shovels in here, but this could work well for other stuff. And then we just have a larger attachment here. This is something cool. You can actually hang battery, like your power tools on it, which is really, really cool. So your battery, I think they had it, the head of the unit coming across here. Really, really cool. And then the last one that I bought, they have a bunch more. I'll link them all down in the description for you guys. And this one's just your basic, sits this way. Nope, sits this way. And you can just fit anything in there. It'll kind of clamp down on it and hold it in place. So really cool. And now on top of those, like kind of individual little items, they have, like I said, they have that whole tool kit, the toolbox kit, but they also have this little shelving system that fits on it apparently. Sorry if that's blown out, but look at everything you can store on here, guys. Like, it's phenomenal. There's screwdriver storage, obviously a shelf on top that you can store whatever you need to. Store your power tools from it. Really cool. So I'm going to just start off with setting up the track system, and then we'll play around with the design and things like that and try and hang some stuff up and see just how effective it really is. Like I said, just looking at it while I was in the store, I was really blown away by it. I think it looks like a really, really good system. So here we go. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm just gonna get all this stuff out of the way. The really cool thing about this is it's so modular, you can really set it up any way you want. For me, from what I can tell, I'm just gonna use these in line, so it's just one long piece all the way across, depending on how long, yeah, that should be a pretty good fit for me. So, all right guys, we got some operating manual here on how to hang it. I don't see any hardware, and I kind of expected that when I was at Home Depot, I was looking for it. I didn't see any, so I did buy some so that we can hang this up. But I just kind of want to, look at this and see if it's supposed to come with any. I don't think so. I think it's basically up to you to anchor it into the wall properly, so it makes sense they don't give you that. Okay, so for my mounting solution, I just got these wall claw anchors. These are cool. You don't have to do any drilling. You can actually just hammer the stud into it, and then when it screws in, it breaks off and creates an anchor point like a normal anchor would. Okay, installed. Super easy considering my wall is such I have no idea what's going on behind this paint. But it's all on there, super solid. Everything's all lined up nicely. So let's go ahead and play around with the attachments now. Okay, so here it is. Here's the system, right? This is the wall track. Now basically each attachment is gonna have this Y shape on the top and then these little prongs at the bottom that will actually fit into these little slots that are on the wall track. So there you go, guys. That's it, super, super easy. As you can see, these little prongs go into those little slots. So as there's pressure on it, it won't lift out. It's pushing down, good to go. Incredible. Now this hook is for the power tools. So let's just see how that works. Bingo, bango, right? How cool is this thing, guys? You can even hang them upside down. Well, maybe not as good of an idea, but definitely right there. Again, I'm a DeWalt guy. And it looks like this should fit all power tools. Shouldn't be an issue at all. So really, really cool. That's number one. Let's go to another attachment point. I got this guy. Exactly the same thing, guys. Just set it down. It's sitting into those little slots. Push down. Snaps into place. You're good to go. Last but not least here, we have this little basic hook. And that's in. So that's it. Super, super simple. We'll get into this whole shelf unit in a second. I just want to try and lay out my stuff really quickly, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, this is my little floor duster mop. It's disgusting. Yeah. But it works. It works very, very well. Everything I need is here, and then it gives me the optional ability to put on these different racks and everything else, which is super, super cool. Like I said, guys, I'll show you some of the stuff. I'll probably pan over my face right now with some of the Ryobi Link system that you can find on HomeDepot.com. Again, guys, I have no affiliate links or anything with Home Depot, so I don't make any. I just think this is a super cool system that I wanted to show you guys. So there you go. There we have it. Now I'm gonna play around with this more and try and sort out exactly how I want this laid out. This little shelf unit may not make sense for me. I'd like to have these just kind of equally spaced so everything fits nicely. So again, this storage system, this rack thing may not work for me, but I definitely want to test it out and see how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that thing open and we'll see. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this thing open. It's all taped up, so just let me grab a screwdriver and get through this tape. Like I said, I may not need this system, but that's the great thing too, guys, is it's Home Depot. So if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna return it. Because it's Home Depot, right? It's really easy to work with them. This thing's not gonna be damaged in any way. I'm just gonna test it out. If it doesn't fit where I need it to fit, then I can't use it, and I'll return it. But let's go ahead and open it up. And the whole thing slides out. Just remove some of the inserts. Cool. So here is the rack system. Super cool. You can place everything up here. Just tons of screwdriver holder pieces. And as you can see, here's the spots where you can hold your batteries and your power tools. And then as you can see on the back, same exact system, guys. So this should just plug right into this thing. Again, just line up the prongs. It's a little more difficult because there's two of them, but super, super easy. Well, maybe. I thought I had it already. Is that it? Nope, I got it. Anchor it down, push down. We are in. There you go. There's my rack. Dude, that's so cool. I'm very, very impressed with this thing. And then you can take this, slide it in there. I mean, geez, you really could have two of them linked there because this one goes to here. That might be tight, but depending on the tool, right? If you're using like the Ryobi polisher, the polisher could fit in there and then this could fit in front of it probably. So super, super cool. Do I need this shelving unit? I don't think so. It's something that I wanted to explore and see and kind of show you guys just what the system can do. But do I need it? I want it. I think it's super cool. I'm just trying to think functionality wise for me, if I'm really gonna be able to use it. I mean, you could store a pressure washer up here. The problem is on this wall, I don't have any power or water source. It's on that wall. But on that wall, I have a bunch of conduit running. So I think for this wall, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I might get a couple more hooks, so I have those if I need them. But later on down the road, I may install another one on that side, put this guy over there, be able to hang a pressure washer on it, super clean. You could, you know, install a drill brush here, hang some of your other brushes and things probably from here. Let me see if I can install hooks on this. Okay, so this thing should just be metal. These are just my little magnetic hooks, really, really basic, nothing crazy. Oh yeah, and then hang my brushes off here as well. This is a super, super cool system. I'm really, really, really impressed with it, guys. Really impressed with it. I wish I had more of a function or need for this. Now, here's a little quality control issue that I can see. And again, guys, not a big deal here at all. But we're honest reviews here and might as well show you guys what I found. Everything is really nice, right? It's all painted. I don't know if it's, yeah, it looks like it's just painted and cleared over. On the inside of this one, can you see right there? If you can see, there's a hair in the paint. Someone's hair got in there as they were painting it, and now it's in my rack. So quality control, I guess, could maybe be a little bit better. I mean, construction and everything looks perfect. Like the thing looks really sturdy, all good to go there. It's just there's a hair in it, which is not, it's kind of gross. So there you have it, guys. Pretty cool new system. I wanted to bring that to your attention. It's something that I found that I thought was super cool as I was walking through Home Depot. So I wanted to pick it up and share it with you guys in case you guys need new storage solutions for your garage. This could be a fantastic way to do it. So that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. We've got more videos coming up. We'll see you on the next one.